Hi guys, my name is Sanjit Vas and our project name is Face Detection in Video in Real Time, and our group members are Vikas Raut, Sanket Shemankar, Siddesh Tambe and Ganesh Wage and myself. And this project is done under the guidance of Miss Madhura Ranade. Introduction. Image processing is most useful for our latest technology and it's most powerful for security reasons. Our project is recognition of human faces from video in real time. We used Viola Jones for algorithm for real-time face detection.
So now let's see the coding part. We have created variable to store webcam. IM snapshot will get snapshot of it. Vision dot cascade object detector will detect face using Vilo Jones face algorithm. IM show will display image initially. Now we have used while loop. It will run continuously until condition becomes false. IM snapshot will take snapshot of the webcam. Next is step function, which performs multi-scale object detection on input image and return to B box, that is bounding box. We will use result of bounding box to put rectangle around the face using insert object annotation function. Finally, IMShow will display the pic.
Advantages. There are more advantages, but few advantages are in this list. Using our project, we improved security. For example, if you store your face to your personal PC, hacker does not open your PC until face is not matched. Easy to integrate. Face detection and facial recognition technology is easy to integrate. Automated identification. Face identification is totally automated and it's done by the machine himself. Disadvantages. There are few disadvantages also. That is massive data storage. For the public uses, so many faces are stored, so there are big trouble in storage. A potential breach of privacy. Uses of this technology we find criminal, but we lose the common man privacy as well.
Conclusion. In this, we are trying to improve the face detection using Milo-John algorithm and segment the part like face. In this, we only work with the frontal face of human. If we use side view of images cannot detect correctly, in future we will try to detect the face from various orientation, angle and geometric view. And we want to make classification of human face on the information we extracted. We will try to classify face expression based on segmentation of lip and mouth region also. We think it will be very efficient for classification and detection.